everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on My Brother's Keeper from the 8th to the 12th of April 2024 on Monday. Ndumiso wrestles with a mountain-sized headache when he finally discovers a life-shortening secret about Puseletso. Will he continue with the wedding? Toba vows to box in his father's corner while Mojola Manches lose their biggest client on Tuesday. Ndumiso's head drives him and Puseletso to a dangerous place. Ngubeko and Fagazile find out the gender of their child on Wednesday. Mshengu apologizes to his sons and begins reuniting his family. Ndumiso feels things will never change and rejects Puseletso's effort to make peace. Toba confronts Puseletso and gets bent on Thursday. Puseletso is cajoled into Mshengu's dirty plan to implode Majola Manchis. Ndumiso set off to Tuleni for introspection. Mamkunu reminds a down-spirited Nomusa that she can still pay Ngubeko on Friday. Ngubeko's desperation and grudge to fight Mshengu will lead him to a dangerous decision. The gulf between Ndumiso and Toba is far from over. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.